The Gabon Batis, also known as the gray-throated batis, Batis minima, is a small passerine bird species native to the forests of Central Africa. Here are 50 interesting facts about the Gabon Batis. 1. The Gabon Batis belongs to the family Platysteridae, which includes waterlice and shrike flycatchers. 2. It is endemic to Gabon, a country located on the west coast of Central Africa. 3. The Gabon Batis is characterized by its distinctive black and white plumage. 4. The male and female Gabon Batis have similar appearances. 5. They have a grayish throat, which distinguishes them from other Batis species. 6. Gabon Batis are relatively small birds, measuring around 10 centimeters, 4 inches, in length. 7. They have a short, slender bill adapted for catching insects. 8. Gabon Batis are primarily insectivorous, feeding on a variety of small invertebrates found in the forest understory. 9. They are often found foraging in pairs or small family groups. 10. Gabon Batis are known for their agile and acrobatic flight as they maneuver through dense forest vegetation. 11. These birds have a distinctive call, which is a series of high-pitched chirps and trills. 12. Gabon Batis are generally shy and elusive birds, preferring the dense cover of the forest. 13. They are most commonly found in lowland tropical rainforests. 14. Gabon Batis are territorial during the breeding season, defending their nesting territory from intruders. 15. Breeding pairs of Gabon Batis often perform elaborate courtship displays, including aerial acrobatics and vocalizations. 16. They typically build cup-shaped nests using twigs, leaves, and other plant materials, which are placed in the dense vegetation of the forest understory. 17. The female Gabon Batis usually lays a clutch of 2 to 3 eggs. 18. Both parents take turns incubating the eggs and feeding the chicks once they hatch. 19. The incubation period for Gabon Batis eggs is around 12 to 14 days. 20. The chicks fledge and leave the nest after about 14 to 16 days. 21. Gabon Batis face threats from habitat loss due to deforestation and logging activities. 22. They are also vulnerable to predation by snakes, birds of prey, and small mammals. 23. Gabon Batis play a role in controlling insect populations in their forest habitat, contributing to ecosystem balance. 24. The conservation status of the Gabon Batis is currently listed as least concern by the International Union for Conservation of Nature, IUCN. 25. However, their population trend is decreasing due to habitat destruction. 26. Conservation efforts focused on preserving Gabon's rainforests also indirectly benefit the Gabon Batis. 27. Gabon Batis are often studied by ornithologists and researchers to better understand their behavior, ecology, and conservation needs. 28. They are sometimes kept and bred in captivity as part of avicultural programs aimed at conservation breeding. 29. Gabon Batis have a relatively short lifespan in the wild, typically living for 3 to 4 years. 30. However, individuals in captivity may live longer under proper care. 31. The Gabon Batis is a diurnal bird, meaning it is active during the day. 32. They have keen eyesight and hearing, which helps them locate prey in the dimly lit forest understory. 33. Gabon Batis are known to occasionally join mixed species foraging flocks, where they associate with other small bird species for added protection against predators. 34. They have been observed engaging in anteing behavior, where they pick up ants and rub them on their feathers, possibly to help remove parasites. 35. Gabon Batis have a rapid and direct flight pattern, often darting between branches and foliage. 36. Their black and white plumage provides camouflage in the dappled light of the forest understory. 37. Gabon Batis are monogamous, forming long-term pair bonds with their mates. 38. They communicate with each other through a variety of vocalizations, including calls and songs. 39. The Gabon Batis is closely related to other Batis species found in Africa, including the chinspot Batis and the Cape Batis. 40. Genetic studies have provided insights into the evolutionary relationships among Batis species. 41. Gabon Batis are not migratory birds and generally remain in their forest habitats year-round. 42. They may undertake short-distance movements within their range in search of food and suitable nesting sites. 43. Gabon Batis are protected by national parks and reserves in Gabon, where their habitat is preserved. 44. They are often encountered by birdwatchers and ecotourists visiting Gabon's rainforests. 45. The Gabon Batis has a cryptic coloration that helps it blend into its surroundings and avoid detection by predators. 46. They have a rapid metabolism, which requires them to consume a large number of insects to meet their energy needs. 47. Gabon Batis are known to cache food, storing excess insects for later consumption. 48. They have a strong territorial instinct and will defend their feeding territories from intruders. 49. Gabon Batis are important indicators of the health of their forest habitat, as declines in their population may signal ecosystem disturbances. 50. Conservation efforts aimed at preserving the Gabon Batis and its habitat benefit numerous other species that rely on the integrity of Central Africa's rainforests.